Hi, in this video I'll be showing you this. It's the Hotpoint HAE60 cooker. Now this one is available in several colours. At the moment it's available in white or black, but it is also available across other models in stainless steel or graphite as well. So there's plenty of colour to choose from. And really what I want to do in this video is to show you around the cooker some of the features and benefits that it offers and why it's one of the best selling cookers in the UK at the moment. So let's get started. So first of all, the dimensions on this cooker. It's 90 centimeters high, 60 centimeters deep, and the quoted width is 60 centimeters. Although saying that, I've just popped a tape measure across it and it is slightly under by 2 or 3 millimeters. So if you have got quite a tight space to get this into, then you might be okay, because as I say, it's about 59.7 centimeters. So if you've got quite a tight gap, then you should be okay with this one. So the next thing to show you is the hob. As you can see, it is a ceramic hob, so it's nice and easy to keep clean. And as you can see, you've actually got two different sizes of cooking zones. You've got the smaller 15 centimeter, and then you go up to the larger 19 centimeter. So depending on the size of the pan that you were using, that would normally determine on which ring you would use. So as you may know, this is actually a double oven cooker, and the top part is the oven and the grill. And with this one, it's a 35 litre capacity, and on this one you've got the width is 46 centimeters, and you've got 19 centimeters height of usable space. It is slightly higher than that, but clearly you've got the grill elements in there as well. So you may see that you've got 3 shelf positions in there, so it's very easy to take out and to move this around. Just locate it to the side like that. Also in this cooker you do actually get a grill pan, which is like that, and then you've got the handle to go with it. So it is really easy. All you do is it just clips over like that, under there, and then when you're ready to take it out, clearly you're not going to leave the handle in there while you're cooking. I only mention about the grill pan because a lot of cookers nowadays don't come with a grill pan. And when it comes to the maintenance, what you will find is that it's very easy to keep clean, and I'll just try and show you this. On the door here you have got the small screws. Just move the camera a little bit. That's it. So you've got the small screws here, so all you need to do is undo those two, and then what you can do, you can actually take this piece of glass out, and then it's nice and easy to keep clean. And now we go down to the bottom oven, and this one, it's the same handle design as at the top, but this one is side opening now compared to the top opening on the top oven. And this one has a 65 litre capacity, so clearly a lot bigger than the top oven, and the usable space is 44 centimeters wide and 37 centimeters high. And I always try and mention the width on these, mainly because a lot of people have got pans already, and what you want to do is you want to know the width of the cooker you're buying so that the pans will fit in. And with this one you've actually got 2 oven shelves, and they're easy to come out, and on this one you've got various positions down the side, so it just makes it a lot easier for moving the shelves up and down. And inside here you'll notice it's a slightly different texture to the top oven. That was a smooth finish. This one's quite a rough matte finish, and that's basically because these are called catalytic liners, and it just makes it a lot easier for cleaning of the oven. And it's only on the side on this one, you've not got them at the top or the bottom, but what you will find is that if you do get any splashes or anything that drips off, then if it lands on the side then it will burn off, and it makes it a lot easier for cleaning. And similar principles to the top oven, where you can take this glass out, so it's just 2 screws, and then this will drop out, so it makes it very easy for cleaning. And what I do like about this model is the simplicity of it, that I know it wouldn't be to everyone's taste, because you can see a lot of the screws, but I like that because it makes it easier for maintenance in the future. So if you needed to replace the handle, then it just makes life so much easier rather than having to take off trims and try and find screws. So just to show you the control panel, and with this model it's very easy to use, and I do like the controls on these because it's very solid and you do know where it's going. On some of the other ovens you turn the dial and it's not quite as pronounced when you turn the dial, but as I say, with this you've got the 4 hob controls on the left hand side, so they're all the same, and it is clearly marked underneath. You have got the rear left, which I didn't mention it earlier, but you've got something called the Solar Glow dual zone, and what that will do, and it's only on this one, the rear left, that depending if you want the inside ring or the outside ring, then you just turn it to the left or to the right. And that can be good because if you just got a very small pan, say like a milk pan, then you can just use the smaller option and then you just turn it to the left. And as you work along to the right hand side, then you'll notice that you've got the grill option. So on this model you've got the twin grill, and similar concept to the dual zone, that what you've got is you've got the option for a smaller grill or the full width grill, and that really depends what you're grilling. So if you're only doing a small number of items, say a couple of rounds of toast, then you just turn it round to the left, and then that just reduces the power consumption and just makes it a little bit quicker as well to heat up. And as we go towards the right, then you've got the 2 oven controls. So you've got the top oven and then the main oven, and you might not be able to notice, but around here you have got the little S, so that's between the 80 and the 100, and that's really stands for slow cooking. So if you do enjoy slow cooking, then that's a very good option. And with these controls, they are nice and smooth, so they're not the same as the hob controls where you turn it and it clicks into place. With both of these you just turn it, and they are nice and easy to control as well. So if you are somebody that suffers with your hands, say if you've got arthritis, then they're nice and easy to rotate, and a nice solid grip as well. What you will also find is that, again, for maintenance in the future, if you do need to take the dials off and replace them, then these do just pull off. They just pull off like that, and then if you need to replace it, it's a very easy process. And on this model we have got the little display, and this is basically a clock, and you've also got the minute minder. So if you want to time something, then you've got the option under here, you just press that button. Unfortunately I haven't got it connected at the moment, but with this one you just press the button and then just increase or decrease the time depending on how long you want. What you have also got is you've also got the indicators under here, so that's just a little light to show you when the oven is on. So on electric ovens now, then it has to have the energy label on it, and I'm happy to say that the energy rating on both of these ovens are a B rating, so it is energy efficient. If you are thinking of purchasing one of these, then I have provided a link below to show you where to get one at a competitive price. I hope you enjoyed this quick video on the Hotpoint HAE60 cooker. Please give us a thumbs up on a YouTube video, click subscribe and leave any comments below. Thanks for watching.